My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Vauxhall Astra. This vehicle has done just under 69,000 miles and it has a manual transmission. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we have our 5 main features, which include audio, gallery, Bluetooth, projection and settings. Just below the screen we have our AC, heated seats on either side, as well as a heated steering wheel. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.